we have our own unique way of celebrating with you.
Hey, so at Kpatawi Waterfalls, Liberia, we also celebrate your special day with you. Today is a client's birthday and we have a surprise for her. So follow me, let me show you the surprise. You see here? Our little natural flower. We put it here on her hut. So let's go inside so you can see, yeah? So let's head on inside. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Isn't this lovely? It's just our little way of saying we love you at Kpatawi. We hope you have a bright and beautiful, happy day. Come, let's go. Let me take you guys to the little setting place, you know, the fix for her. Let's go. You see, it's so beautiful. Just simple, something simple, beautiful, and nice. Thank you. She just behind me. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday. We have our own unique way of celebrating with you. So the Culture Troop and the Star of Kpatawi would like to do their own thing. And this guy here will speed the drum for our friends and stars and get us some time. That's it. So.